Hi, this is Kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of Lexington Company and I am a law student of IME Law College. And today we are going to discuss about a new topic which is Immoral Traffic Prevention Act of 1956. The Suppression of Immoral Traffic in Women and Children Act of 1956 was given assent on 30th December of 1956 and was made applicable to the whole of India. The act was made to suppress immoral traffic in women and children as India signed the United Nations International Covenant on Suppression of Women in Trafficking Persons and of the Exploitation in Others, and it was signed in New York on 9th May 1950. Subsequent amendments not only changed the nomenclature of the Act but even the preamble to the Immoral Traffic Prevention Act of 1956, and it is also referred as the PETA Act, an act made for the prevention of immoral traffic. The PETA has undergone two amendments in the year 1978 and 1986 respectively, and it made the act more gender neutral. This legislation aims to stop immoral trafficking and prostitution in India and is divided into 25 sections and one schedule. Apart from PETA, the Indian Penal Code 1860, the Constitution of India 1950, the Juvenile Justice Act, and the various state legislation also have been enacted to deal with the issue of prostitution and trafficking. The Act does not make prostitution illegal per se, but it makes keeping and using of premises as a brothel, living on the income earned by prostitution, pimping, soliciting, seducing a person for prostitution in custody or otherwise, and prostitution in public areas, etc., an offence punishable under the Act. It does mean if prostitution is done independently or voluntarily, then it would not constitute an offence. This article highlights the different aspects and roles of institution under the Act. Before the proceeding further, it is important to know the definition of brothel and prostitution given under Section 2A and Section 2F respectively. A brothel includes any house or any portion of any house, a room or any convenience or place which is used for the purpose of sexual exploitation or abuse for the gain of another person and for the mutual gain of two or more prostitutes. It is vital to prove whether such places is used for commercial exploitation or abuse. It is a question in fact whether a single use of such a place can make it fall under the definition of the brothel. It must be noted that the largely depends upon the circumstances surrounding and the person keeping the place. The criteria for declaring a person as a prostitute is constructed from the definition of prostitution. It means the sexual exploitation or abuse of a person for a commercial purpose. Accordingly, two things to be remembered are: first, the occurrence of exploitation or abuse of a person for a sex. Second, such a person engaging in the activity does it for commercial gain. And now we discuss what punishment given under this Act. The punishment imposed under the Act are varied and can be found in Section 3 to 9, 11, 18, 20 and 21. And the offence punishable are keeping and using of premises as a brothel or living on the income earned by prostitution and pimping or else soliciting of for prostitution or seducing a person in custody and prostitution in public, etc., an offence punishable under this Act. And a specific police officer is a person appointed by the state government to discharge his police duty for an area who shall be above the rank of a sub-inspector of a police. And here also the power given to the magistrate as specified in the second column in a schedule in the section 2C as given competent to exercise the power conferred by section in which the expression occur and which is specified in the first column of the schedule. And here are some power, like a magistrate has the power to rescue a person under section 16 living or carrying on prostitution in a brothel, and he has many other powers. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video and learn from something, and so do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for further updates. Thank you.